Okay, so I flipped it over. Uh, this table actually, I just assembled it in this room, but I'm not planning to use it in this room. I'm planning to use it in a different room, but it should be easily transportable. It's on the same floor. I don't have to move it downstairs or anything. Um, so that's why this doesn't match the rest of the furniture, but it will match where I'm planning to use it. So it's all set up and connected to the AC. I like these things where this cable management holes where I can slide this and just use as much as I need and sort of close it if I don't need it like this. You just have to press it down like this and then sort of just slide it or slide it back and close it. So that's good. Um, and let's try the controls again. Unfortunately, this particular model doesn't have a memory, so you can't set it at a certain height. But for the price, it's pretty good, $150. I don't really need a memory for the room that I'm planning to use it in. So let's see. This is the up. It goes going up. Wow, it's pretty tall. Wow, that is really nice and tall. Let's take a look from a distance. Well, that's pretty tall. So I'm not very tall, but for someone who's really tall, this would also really work really well. And now let's try bringing it down. That's as low as it can go, which is also pretty decent. So that's about it.